Hi everyone. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and we are going to wrap up our lesson in science about daytime and nighttime. Let's do a quick review of what we have learned and what we talked about this week. So I'm going to go back to Monday. And so on Monday, we were going to identify things that could happen or that happen during the day and at night. We read the first two chapters of the National Geographic Kids Day and Night. And so when we read that, some of the things that we came up with together, and you came up with your own things, were from chapters 1 and 2. During the day, monkeys are full of energy and ready to play. Then we talked, so that was from the chapter for animals during the day. Then for nighttime, for that chapter, we said ostrich look for food before it gets dark. So I'm going to fix that, take that S out of there. Then we went on to a chapter, and we also said for animals, the elf owl waits quietly and watches for its prey at night. We moved on to the chapter about plants during the day, and we said that the lotus flower opens up during the day. Then we moved on. We stopped there, and we picked up on our book on chapters 3, 4, and 5 on Wednesday. We kept reading, and some of the things that we added here, and I think was actually, we added this part. Lotus flowers opens up, elf owl waits quietly and watches for its prey. So you added your own. And I will be looking at those. If I haven't already received them and sent them back, I will be looking at those journal entries, and I will be sending those back to you with a comment in Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this book about day and night and the different things that happen at day and night with plants and animals, those types of things. Now, for today, I want you to think about one thing that you do during the day and one thing that you do at night. Some of the examples that show here is we kind of did this little part in our last lesson about some of the things that we do. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to my library. I'm going to pull up this book, Day and Night. And we're going to go to that. It's actually on the last page. So what activities do you do during the day and at night? What are some of those things? It says here, sleep, see sun, see stars, see moon, swim, or read. So what are some of those things that you do? And you're just going to pick one for day and one for night. And let's go back to our journal and I want you to set up that page. So these little boxes, you don't have to draw those. I just drew those to show you this is where I'm going to illustrate my words, my picture. So what I want you to do first is I want you to write first, then you draw a picture to match those words. So let's think about some different things that you can do at day, and then we'll think about some different things that you can do at night and get some brainstorm together and get some ideas. So I'm going to just start right here. I'm going to say day. And underneath this, we're going to write some things that we can do during the day. So what can we do during the day? We can see the sun, just like it says here. We can see the sun. What else? Actually, this is things that we do. So let's go back. What can we do during the day? We eat breakfast during the day, right? In the morning time. We eat lunch. What else do we do? We go to school, don't we? Go to school during the day. Your parents go to work. Go to work. What else? Oh, can we go to the park during the day? We can't we? Go to a park. What else can we do? Oh, can you go fishing during the day? You can go fishing, right? Go fishing. We can do all sorts of things. What else can we do during the day? Let's see, I'm thinking. I can read during the day. Read a book. What else? Just thinking of all the things. You guys are probably shouting at some things. Oh, can we play soccer during the day? We can, can't we? And you probably have so many more ideas. Let's see, what else can we do? Oh, we can go on a picnic. Yes. What else? During the day. Eat breakfast, eat lunch, go to school, go to work. What else? So many things that we can do during the day, aren't there? We can work in the garden. We can go swimming during the day. So I'm going to leave that there. Now let's think about some things that we can do at nighttime. What are some things? Well, we can eat dinner. That would be one. What else can we do? What else can we do at nighttime? We can watch the stars, can't we? We can go outside and watch stars. Stargazing, we could call it stargazing. What else? What else can we do? Oh, we can have a sleepover. How many of you like sleepovers? We can watch a movie. What else? Can you read at night? Yeah, I'm going to put that one here because I love to read. Read a book. What else can we do at nighttime? We can go to a drive-in, right, and watch a movie. I think I put it here, watch a movie. What else? Let's see. So many things that we can do at night. Well, we sleep at night, don't we? Sleep. What else? I'm thinking we can see stars, we can sleep, we can eat dinner, have a sleepover, watch a movie, read a book. So many different things that you can do. I want you to think about something that you can do. One thing from daytime and during the day, and one thing at night. Okay? Once you pick that one thing, you're going to come over to your journal, put the date up at the top, and you'll start your sentence with during the day. Again, the reason I put the box here is because not only do I want you to write a complete sentence with correct, make sure you're forming your letters correctly, capital letter, and use your punctuation. I also want you to draw a picture. So if you give me a picture at the top and then write a sentence underneath that, that's fine. And remember, you can write more than just one sentence. In fact, I want to see more than just one sentence. So let's see, what am I going to write here? During the day, I drink coffee. And all of you know that because you see me drink coffee. I also teach my first graders. What else? So two things maybe. Do you see how I use a capital letter at the beginning and I end it with a period? And then I did my capital I and I end it with a period. Now, I would draw my picture of me drinking coffee and teaching my first graders. So now let's move to nighttime. What are some things at night? At night, I cook dinner and we sit together at the table. And let's see here. At night, I cook dinner. Back up. For my family, we sit together and talk about our day. So then I would make sure to draw a picture that matches my words. So that is your assignment for today. Think of something that you do during the day. Pick that and then write about it and draw me a picture to match your words. Pick something that you do at night. Write about it and draw me a picture. If you have any questions about the assignment, feel free to reach out to me. I'm available to answer any of your questions, and I hope you have a great Friday. Have a good one. Goodbye.